See these?
Yeah.
How cool is this?
I saw that. I was like, whoa.
1983 Mattel. Oh, this car is cool. What do you think they charge for that? That's pretty neat. Oh, it's $100.
Retop? The Reebok?
I think so, yeah, it doesn't look...
No, that one's not antique, that's a remake.
Yeah. Yeah.
I had to look it up a bit because they matched it pretty well.
Well, it's got like the sticker with the
That's
phone
the thing,
number.
the new
It's
stuff
a little
and
more
that, yeah.
modern, yeah. Yeah, it's cool though. A little hummingbird feeder. Easter is coming. Are there a lot of people doing sales in the neighborhood?
I don't know, and I'm actually in charge with the social committee, and we don't collect that. We just kind of say, you want to do it, we're advertising.
Okay, cool. Did you guys make this table?
Yes, so
That's
that's
cool.
kind of my side hobby.
That's neat.
Obviously I've been busy.
Yeah, look at that. Ohana.
Been painting them.
Those are really
You
cool.
recognize him?
Pete's Dragon?
I was
Yeah.
wondering if anybody
Yeah.
would, 'cause
That's
that was
neat.
one of my favorite movies as a kid.
Wow. Very talented.
Thank you.
You guys selling any video games?
No.
Not today? This ain't good. I've got one that's not selling on my store.
That's an X.
Yeah,
I sat on some of that for a while.
it doesn't move very quick.
Occasionally you'll find something that's decent.
This probably sell for a couple bucks.
5. I've sold it. What's she charging for it? Yeah, go for it. Yeah, it'd be a quick little profit. I listed one of those. It sold in like 4 hours.
For this frame, it's going to be 50.
Ask her for change. She probably has change.
I know.
This thing's kind of cool. $30 though. All right. I don't think we want anything. Cars playset. Oh, did you see the stormtrooper chair? It's kind of cool.
You get a boomerang for free.
Aloha. This pile only. Hey, you bought something.
Yeah, the little girl is looking like...
Cover image. Precious impressions. You need help?
I got it. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
That's where it goes. There we go.
You got like a whole system set up, huh?
Yeah. Hopefully that'll hold.
AE.
Yeah, I was going to pull some of these sweatshirts off to take some of the heaviness off. I haven't got there yet.
You guys pulling out any video games?
What's that?
Any video games?
I do not have video games.
Okay.
Just hanging on today. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay.
Would you take $1 for this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
And that right there? Oh, perfect.
Here you go,
All
man.
right.
Keep up with the 5 if
Okay.
you will.
Okay.
What'd you get?
$2.
Nice.
So nothing's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, you take $1.50 instead of $2.
Get a 50-cent win.
Yeah. I Thank you. I was laughing that you offered a $1.50 instead of $1.
No. It sounds like more.
It does, yeah.
And I don't need fish.
True, yeah, true. Having a big sale. It's a mega sale.
It's a mega sale. It's so much that they're gonna run away.
Hey, but you got Star Wars. How much are your Star Wars toys?
Whatever you want to pay. No, I haven't even thought pricing. I just want somebody who wants it to have it.
These are fun.
That's pretty. It's a lucrative business.
Just take it away. Yeah.
Let's close the sale out right away.
Yeah, this is my first bake sale. I have no experience on
Oh,
these
you're
things.
fine. You're
So
fine.
I'm like, all right.
What is this one?
My kids love playing with them. I just
Oh,
hope
yeah.
somebody else does. That's it.
Yeah, Keens. That's what those are called. Is that what you
They
said?
may not be Keen brand, but they're definitely Keen. Look.
Yeah, this
Oh,
probably
Keen.
is.
Okay. How about like $3?
Sure.
Yeah. You guys got any video games to sell?
Video games kids like.
Yes, of course they do.
They're still in the
It
Nintendo
rots their
phase.
brains though. You should
Yeah.
probably sell them.
If I tried to bring it out, they would be like, oh,
They'd cling on to your leg. No.
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
Little Star Wars toys.
How are y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Are you going for a run?
No.
Yeah,
Oh.
we parked our car down there. We came down here.
Which Callaway's? They're nice.
Balls. Those are good.
These are just individual. I mean,
Candy melter.
I saw the guy rolling out here with a bunch of them. I was like, oh.
and he does want 30 for these because they're set. But those are $3.
What is this thing? Like a ball grabber?
Yeah.
Nifty.
And then 2 shafts.
Okay.
We have to sled again, Dad. Do you remember that year?
Those
when-
aren't. We don't get enough snow for that kind of
I
sled.
know. Remember when like we were in Sterling Ridge at that big hill and we had those sleds that we'd slide down the hill with, and then
Yeah.
we let 2 boys try out mine and they broke it instantly. They like smashed into a rock.
Yeah.
See the rubber bands. Get that. Let me get some money out for you, sir. All right.
It's only all your fault.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. You get that putter too, or you didn't get that? Thank you, ma'am. How much is your bike?
What are you getting for it? I was thinking 50, but
I don't know. The kids like when I ride with them, but
take it for a spin.
um,
I just don't ride it no more. I'm too damn old.
we do $30.
35.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, man.
The kids will be excited.
That's a big one.
30. Here, take the 30. Got my hands full. 2, 3. Is there more people down here doing sales, or just you two?
There's another one right over here.
Over there on the right? Yeah, I
Yeah.
think they were still setting up.
I don't know about
35.
back in Braxton.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. All right, cool. Thanks,
You
man.
don't deer hunt, do you? I got a nice bow over there.
I don't deer hunt. Thank you, though.
All right, man.
Morning.
Good morning.
How much is your gymnastics stuff?
We actually already sold it. That was the first thing to go.
I know. I was like running
That
here.
was,
Okay.
I know, it was like
How much did you sell it for?
100 and then 50 for the beam.
Okay. All right, my
Yeah.
daughter. I'm glad I didn't tell her. I saw your ad.
Oh my gosh.
I saw your ad and I'm like, I'm not going to tell her because I probably won't get it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
it was like instant.
Ah, well. That's all right. I don't have room in my car anyways. Dang. How much are your plush?
Those are free.
Those are free?
Yeah.
Okay. Elijah, you want a Great Wolf Lodge? You like the Great Wolf Lodge? All right. Dang. Can't believe I missed it.
Girl stuff right here.
What's that?
It's all American girl stuff.
Oh, really?
Maybe. I don't know.
No. What's that?
Lori? What's it?
Yeah, that's something else. I don't know what.
This is like wood, man.
Lori. Yeah.
I don't know much about it either.
And will that work for her? Bring my daughter that one. Hey, I got your gymnastics stuff. Got a lawnmower.
Cedar?
Yeah.
Gee, a Star Wars.
I kind of like it.
How much are your like Winnie the Pooh glasses?
This.
Oh, I will take for those because those are old. Like $1 a piece.
We have those. Are they like from a restaurant, or are they actually from Disney?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. How much is your Star Wars rug?
Oh, $3.
$3. And your Crocs? How much are those?
$2.
$2. And what about this?
$1.
So would you do $5 for all of it?
Sure.
3, 2. Okay, cool.
How much is this?
I will put it in my garage. I like that idea. I could use some more carpets in my garage.
And you can't go wrong with Star Wars, right?
Exactly, yeah. Fits my theme. 2,
So,
3,
would you do 5 for this and the glasses?
Sure.
$5.
Thank you.
Is this his? All right, so. I only have a 5. Actually, wait, yes, 5. Right.
Let's go. Yep, you're good.
Platform.
Thank you guys. Hope you
Yeah, no
enjoy
problem. You guys selling any video games?
it. No, we don't have video games quite yet. Come back in a couple years.
Yeah.
Probably.
What
will.
about Squishmallows? No, not for sale.
We're in the collective.
That so is he.
We only have a little one, right?
I'm gonna get. Yeah, I only have one that's.
A little 10-inch or a little 4-inch. Yeah, a little tiny
It's the
one.
little tiny ones that stick in the cup thing or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you're gonna collect some more of them?
Yes.
Cool.
I
Yeah.
have a bunch of them.
Yeah. Do you go to the Five Below when they get them?
We
They are
haven't.
crazy,
They're
like,
too
they-
crazy.
My nieces go out there and sit.
Over, actually, a real honey hole is Carowinds. If you're
Yeah,
ever
they-
headed towards Charlotte,
Oh, really?
like right when you go in, I mean, you'd have to probably go to the theme park, which is the only problem. But they have like just stands full of them, and they're only like $12 a piece,
Oh my gosh.
and they've just got hundreds.
Wow.
You can
So-
check Walgreens too.
Yeah, Walgreens sometimes gets them.
Yeah. They
Yeah.
have a ton of them at Learning Express and Cary.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do they upcharge a little though? I thought they were a little
were
expensive
a
last
They're
time
a
I
little
went.
bit more expensive, but
Yeah.
when they get them, they get like a wall
Yeah.
and a whole bunch of like big giant things of them. But you have to like
Yeah,
be fast.
Yeah.
bigger than me.
Bigger than you? Ooh, yeah, he has a big giant one
I
he
have a
sleeps
bunch.
with. So,
I got like 30, and I sold some to my sister yesterday. 'cause she wanted some.
Oh, hey, that's a money maker.
thanks guys. That's cute.
Oh yes, that's not. Wait, Melissa. Is she a teacher?
No, that's
Teachers.
Amanda. Blonde. Amanda's a teacher. She's my friend.
Oh, okay, that's funny.
I don't know how much. I don't know, $1.50. I don't know. $1. Fair. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta help me. I don't know what prices are.
I would say,
Let's see.
yeah. So,
These are cool. Oh, check that out. That's awesome.
give it to them for a tip.
Okay.
How much?
You know it.
What?
Yeah.
Cool is that?
Okay.
How much are your plushes?
Maybe 50 cents a piece.
I can do $1 a piece.
Oh, you're sweet. Okay.
You girls selling any Squishmallows?
Do you want to sell some of your Squishmallows?
My son will buy them for me. He's a collector.
I'm sorry, Brett.
There's stuff inside of this.
Oh. Oh, is that the breastfeeding component?
She's bringing out Squishmallows.
I heard. Am I okay to buy them?
Yeah, get them. I asked for you.
Thank you. Found these. These might be good.
1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $8.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I thought that was way heavier. The desk for the chair, it goes with the nightstand and that. Unless if you come back at the end of the day and I haven't sold it, then I'll sell it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then I'll sell it separately.
Well, do you want to pull my IKEA bag out of my
All
backpack?
of it, it does work.
See these?
Yeah.
How cool is
I
this?
saw that. I was like, whoa.
1983 Mattel. There's 2 of them.
Rainbow Bright.
Yeah. All these are like super cool vintage. 1985. Look at this one.
Yeah,
It's neat. The monkey's awesome. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool.
This is Commonwealth Picker. He just pulled some of these.
Did he?
I thought it said Rustin, but
Justin?
it's Justin.
Girls, I'm sorry.
He's like, wait a minute, I just saw.
She's not big on facial hair.
Uh-oh. Alright, any more? Where? Oh yeah, dang, I'm blind. There's another Hasbro softie.
Oh yeah?
Snorks, that's cool.
Just be laying down and she'll like swat them and everything.
I love me some plush. Look at this guy.
How much are these princesses?
Maybe 50 cents each.
Alright.
These are all like just Oriental Trading Company. Pass.
Whatever you want, baby, it's yours.
Did you find it? Oh, yeah, she found one. 1, 2, 3.
What is this guy?
Snorks.
I know, those were like mine when I was a kid. My mom couldn't part
Yeah.
the Care Bears though. She was like, I can't get rid of the Care Bears. I was like, oh my gosh.
3 more.
Mommy,
From-
You tell her how much you want for it. Huh?
$30.
That's fine. You can even probably do more than that. Probably do 2 or 3.
$2.
Okay. Here, just for you, I'll do 3.
There you go.
Oh, sweet.
You got change.
I just got some ones from you.
Yeah.
Starting them out young.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Oh wait, I could have just gave you the 5, whatever.
Oh, for the little figurines?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys. Hey guys, Dave the NC Picker here. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you check out this one where I took a crazy gamble and it paid off.